Hello guys, today we'll be putting a new exhaust system on my Vauxhall Corsa D 1.2 litre. So yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you later. So we need to put the O2 sensor in the new exhaust. You're probably best putting copper grease on the threads, like that. You want to carefully insert it in and just thread it in with your fingers. Just try and avoid cross-threading. And make sure it's threading in nicely like that. You want to take your O2 sensor socket, what's got like the little cutout on it, and insert it down there like that. And you just want to tighten it up just enough, really, like that. That'll do fine. Right, so now we just need to take some copper grease and put it on the threads. Not that it's going to last that long, really. Time for the gasket. There we go. To get the back bit of the exhaust on, you have to jack the car up. It's pretty sketchy though. The grid's like there, and the trolley jack's on like the maximum extension, but you literally need to route the exhaust around the axle, so we'll get to it now. I'm struggling like mad to get these exhaust things on. Just use WD-40. So that's basically it, really. I did forget that you need to plug the O2 sensor in. It got a little bit dark at the end of the video, so I just plugged it in. And you need to torque the cross brace strut, what I just tightened up, to 60 Newton meters. It's quite a lot, really. And the clamps at the front to 25 Newton meters. So that's it, really, guys. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe if you want to see more of my channel, and if you really do need some help in the comments, feel free to comment and I'll answer any question, really, if I can. So I'll see you later.